Hello, very good morning to you. Now, some of us have woken up to quite a wintry scene with some disruptive snow in places. Not all of us, though. In some parts, it's a mild start to the day. That's because we have some mild air across southern areas. It's further north where we have cold Arctic air, and it's this weather system that marched through, bringing some wet but also wintry weather to some parts. That then clears away towards the east as we go through today, and as it does so, it allows for that cold Arctic air to plunge southwards across the whole country. So it is going to turn very cold indeed, temperatures well below average for the time of year, and that's the theme through the rest of this week. There could be some systems coming through, potential for some more organised disruptive snow at times, but I think generally it's going to be a case of wintry showers in areas exposed to that northerly wind. Just darting ahead towards the end of the week quickly, and there is the potential for a deep area of low pressure to develop and push its way across the UK through this coming weekend, so that's definitely one to watch. Back to the here and now though, and yes, some disruptive snow first thing, particularly across parts of northern England, but also some wintry showers overnight, leading to some icy patches for Scotland. A lot of the rain and the sleet and snow across England clears away towards the east through this morning, and so then things are turning drier and also brighter, a good deal of sunshine for many places, but the wintry showers across parts of northern Scotland actually continue, so we could see accumulations building up a little bit, and so some further disruption possible. Further towards the southwest, we do have some outbreaks of rain, could be a little bit on the heavy side, but they'll also be fairly hit and miss, so you may actually avoid them. Now, because of that Arctic air that's plunged its way southwards by the time that we get to this afternoon, temperatures actually dropping a little bit as we go through the day. It is going to feel bitterly cold, many places only getting a little bit above freezing, and when you factor in the wind chill, it's going to feel even colder than this. For some places it's going to feel several degrees below freezing, so a bitterly cold day you'll definitely want to wrap up warm, despite the fact that there'll be some sunshine. Not a huge amount changes as we go through the end of today. In fact, we will have some clear skies across many parts of the country, but it's in areas exposed to that northerly wind where we're going to continue to see some wintry showers. Most frequent across parts of northern Scotland, but even across parts of Northern Ireland, Wales, maybe southwest England, and down the eastern side of England as well. A few showers are quite likely, and they could have a wintry element to them. But like I said, with that cold Arctic air, it really is going to be cold. It's going to be another frosty night. Could be even colder than last night, temperatures falling several degrees below freezing, a real harsh frost to add to the other wintry hazards, the ice, the snow, particularly across parts of Scotland. Across the south, it is going to be markedly colder first thing tomorrow morning than it was this morning because of that Arctic air that's pushed its way through. Otherwise, as we go through tomorrow, it is going to be, well, similar to today in many areas, in as much as there'll be a lot of bright, fine, sunny weather, perhaps a little bit sunnier than today for many parts, but still continuing to see some showers coming in on that northerly wind, and so most frequent, again, across parts of northern Scotland, but a few showers in other places. Most areas, especially inland areas, avoiding these and just having a sunny day, a crisp winter's day almost, even though it is still autumn and still November. Temperatures suppressed, well below average for the time of year. Some places, again, only getting a couple of degrees above freezing, so feeling chilly despite the fact that there will be a decent amount of sunshine around. Now, if you want more information about what's to come as we go through the rest of this week, then make sure you head to our YouTube channel. Aidan will be here with the deep dive later on. You'll not want to miss that. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.